Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious caldo de siete mares. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious soup, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our sauce for our broth. So we're going to grab our frying pan, set it on medium heat, and add a little bit of oil. Okay, so once the oil heats up, we're going to add half of an onion. Just chop it and break it down, along with 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to be frying them for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to fry 5 New Mexico chili pops. Make sure that you clean them. Okay, so just allow them to get nice and soft. Okay, so once those are ready, we're going to set them to the side. Okay, so we're going to do the same to 2 chile moritas and 5 chile de árbol. So just allow them to get soft. And just set them to the side. Okay, so now we're going to be adding 4 Roma tomatoes. So just give them a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, our tomatoes should have softened. So now we're going to turn it off. And we're going to add 1 cup of water. Okay, so just cover it and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to transfer all of this to our blender cup. Okay, so make sure you get the water as well. Okay, so once we have that, now we can make our sauce. Okay, to our blender cup, we're also going to add chile chipotle. I'm going to be adding 2. 7 ounces of tomato sauce, 4 cups of water, salt, chicken bouillon or shrimp bouillon, 1 tomato bouillon. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of dried shrimp, 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. Okay, so now we're just going to blend until smooth. Okay, and once we have that, now we are ready to put our caldo together. Okay, so we're going to grab our pot where we're going to be making our caldo, set it on medium-high heat, and now we're just going to transfer our sauce. Strain if you need to. I'm going to be adding about 6 more cups of water. Along with 3 bay leaves, and now we're just going to wait for it to come to a simmer. Okay guys, so once our broth comes to a simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to medium. And at this point, try it for salt to see if you want to add any more. For me, it's perfect, and let me tell you, it's a little spicy. So I'm going to begin by adding my corn in the cob. So we're just going to allow that to cook for about 15 minutes before adding the rest of our ingredients. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, we're going to be adding potatoes and carrots. I'm using 3 potatoes. Just add them in there. And I'm also going to be adding 1 chayote. Okay, we're going to allow that to cook for 15 more minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, I'm going to be adding 1 pound of mussels, along with 2 pounds of seafood mix. Going to allow that to cook for about 5 minutes before adding the rest of our seafood. And I almost forgot, but I'm also going to be adding 1 calabacita, along with a handful of cilantro. Okay, so now we're going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, make sure that everything is nice and soft. And now we're going to add 2 pounds of crab legs, along with some shrimp and some fish. So make sure that they get covered. Okay, so we're going to allow them to cook for 3 minutes or until they change into a beautiful salmon color. So I'm just going to cover it and allow that to cook. Alrighty, so after 3 minutes, everything should be done, and now we can get ready to serve. Alright, so I remove my legs, so like that, it's easy for me to get to the bottom of my pot. And I'm also going to remove the cilantro. Okay, so now we can get ready to serve. Okay, so make sure you grab a little bit of everything. Okay, so now let's squeeze some lime juice and get ready to enjoy. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to squeeze a little lime juice. Okay, and you can top it with cilantro and chopped onion. But now, just like that, we can get ready to enjoy our delicious caldo de siete mares. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this caldo is seriously super easy to make and very delicious. And if you're not a big fan of the seafood mix, then just try it with the shrimp. It's seriously the best. Now the broth is a little spicy since we used New Mexico chili pods, the chile de árbol, the chile morita, and the chile chipotle. So it is gonna be a little spicy. But of course, if you don't want it to be spicy, then just use chile guajillo. But for me, this is just perfect. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's so delicious. The broth, spicy, but so good. And of course, it makes a lot. It's good to feed a lot of people. So good. And there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious caldo de siete mares. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.